and welcome to Max Motors. Here today we have a beautiful 2016 BMW 3 Series, which is a 2 litre 320D Sport Touring model. The diesel automatic in white, coming in with just under 51,000 miles on the clock, with full service history with 7 stamps, that being a main dealer. Just had a new MOT put on it as well. Also, being the 2 litre Sport Touring, you know you'll be getting the space, power while looking good with this car, along with the 4 driving modes, which include Sport, Sport Plus, Standard and Eco Plus. Has all the usual BMW bells and whistles. It also comes with £4,785 worth of extras, which include and not limited to the interior comfort package, the Dakota leather black on black with heated front seats. Also comes with a heated steering wheel, reverse camera along with parking sensors and a sport automatic transmission. Let's have a look on the inside. And as you can see, just under 51,000 miles there on the clock. Reverse parking camera with distance parking sensors. There's also come with your multimedia, radio, telephone, Sat-Nav, Connect Drive along with all your settings. There's also come with the enhanced Bluetooth, Handsfree, along with the speed limiter with cruise control on your steering wheel. As mentioned, these are your different sport modes. So you do Sport, Sport Plus with dynamic traction control activated, Comfort and Eco Pro. This comes with 2 keys, 2 cup holders in the centre console with cover. All your controls here for computer settings. Dual zone climate control, again with your heated seats, which is here. And the button for your heated steering wheel is just here as well. It's also come with the auto start stop. Mentioned it is an automatic with reverse, neutral, drive along with your sport mode. Automatic parking with manual handbrake, centre armrest with a little bit of storage underneath there. There's also come with the BMW air freshener from the previous owner. Automatic windows and mirrors. Height adjustable front seats as well with adjustable headrests. It's in very, very good condition, been very, very well looked after. Beautiful drive. You can see plenty of space for everything that you need. Bit more storage in the back of the front seats there with netting, with air control in the back with a 12-volt socket. Slightly tinted back windows, which are also electric. 1 button press on the boot. Opens up to a very good space in the boot there as well. Does come with a parcel shelf. Also comes with a back netting. And a boot liner as well, just to keep that carpet a bit more clean. Also comes with a shopping strap when you go shopping. Attach all your bags to that. And again, 1 push for the close. The back seats are a 60-40 split also, with the centre armrest, with 2 cup holders. Can close up. Adjustable headrests. Also do come with lumbar support, side padding for the front seats, bring in the sport seats. Obviously the photos and the video do not do this car any justice. It's a must see in person to fully appreciate the car itself. It's beautiful, very nice drive. And there we are, 2016 BMW 3 Series, 2 litre Sport Touring Edition, 320D, diesel automatic in white, here now at Ben Marks Motors, which is 13995. Thank you for watching.